and it's really probably like 2 adults, 2 kids. This dinette folds down, or you could have 2 dinettes, or you can have 1 massive bed, or half and half. Microwave here. Nice cold fridge. Fridge freezer combo. Under here there's a little sink. There's a propane stove. Bunch of storage under here. Lots of storage in there. And there's a full stand-up shower, toilet, and sink. So Casita is an all fiberglass trailer. There's no wood frame. That way it's nice if it ever gets leaks, which it wouldn't. There's no wood to rot. Comes with a nice little barbecue. And just look at that view.